Okay guys, welcome na naman sa ating daily charting session. Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, what we do here is we take a look at 5 trending names based dun sa listahan na binibigay ng Investa. So usually you see that on the right side of your screen when you're looking at a chart or at the Investa homepage, no? Mga ganon. Or we also take a look at chart requests. And I take chart requests either through post sa comment section. So please, kung may request kayo, post them in the comment section below and I promise to include them in future videos. Or you can also message me directly sa Investa kung you follow me there. Or you can follow me through Facebook. The links are all in the description box below and you can request for charts there as well. So with that said, wala na tayong paligoy-ligoy pa. Let's get right to it. Today we'll start with dito, no? So dito, last time nung pinag-usapan natin ito nung Monday, ang sinabi natin baka it was channeling down. We actually drew a channel like so, no? Pero syempre, as always, hindi pa tapos eh. 'Di ba? Hindi pa tapos. Sabi natin baka ganito, nag-move up siya. Technically speaking, pwede pa rin siya mag-channel. Iba lang yung shape, medyo pa ganito. So hindi pa natin alam. Pinaparod pa rin natin kung ano yung ginagawa niya. Ang pinakamasasabi lang natin right now is so far, price is unable to break above this small trend line here. I say small kasi it's not like makukuha mo siya from yung super tagal na, yung sobrang over a long span of time, diba? This is only from May. So just a few months. Ibang usapan yung mga years worth of trend line na mahaba talaga. So ito medyo maliit lang. But even that, hindi pa tayo nag-break up from. That said, it is looking bullish. Tried to break up. As I said, I was looking for a possible pullback dito sa white na area. It didn't come. Pushed higher. Tapos ngayon, we're trying to challenge yung previous highs. So yung previous highs was here all the way hanggang 9.19. As is, the cleanest breakout for me would be a break above the trend line and 9.19. Para lang ba mas malinis? Kasi kung kunyari nag-break ka lang above tong trend line, pwede ka pang mauntog dito eh. Yeah, so parang mas malinis lang if you're looking for talagang a breakout, a clean breakout na mag-break tayo above 9.19, 9.2 na area, no? Rather than just jumping in the second na ma-break tong trend line, which honestly medyo mahirap kasi again, if hihintayin mo end of day, by the time price closes above the trend line, baka masyado ka na malapit sa resistance. So you might as well just wait for that clean break and have a new canvas. So itong 9.19 possibly hanggang 10.34 to work with. Okay? Again, that's not a prediction na magiging ganun kalaki yung future range if we break out. Potential lang yon. We can also see na pwedeng may resistance din dito because this area was resistance here, support there, resistance here, support there, support, and so on, no? So that's also something to watch out for as we move forward sa dito. Okay? Kung may hawak na, kung nakabili kayo sa baba, then just be sure na ititrail nyo yung mga stops nyo ng maayos para hindi kayo nabibigla. Make sure na na-picture out nyo sa mga utak nyo kung ano yung mga possible na scenarios para, again, hindi kayo nabibigla. If you're bullish dito, what you don't want to see now is for price to break below here. Diba? Ignore na natin itong white zone. Pwede na alisin yan. Liberahin natin. For price to break below there, diba? Itong area na to, pull back, mag-hold to, then we move lower. Pagka ganon, then we might challenge 7.34 ulit or even lower. Okay? Next, let's take a quick look at ALLHC. So, ALLHC was a requested chart, no? I purposely left it blank para kasama ko kayong mag-drawing and mas ma-explain ko lang yung process. So usually, pag ganito na medyo tight yung range natin, I just like drawing ng konti lang. Okay? Kasi yung pag mag-drawing ka ng sobrang daming support and resistance, ikaw lang din yung maguguluhan eh. Diba? So we have support here, resistance there, no? I realized na meron din dito, so I marked that. But essentially, we are trading within this range for ALLHC. Okay? A breakout from this range, meaning a breakout ng 35, 35.2, mga ganon, might lead us to a bigger range moving forward. So baka ito na yung maging trading range natin if mag-breakout tayo. But right now, if you're trading alley, kung sabihin natin nakabili kayo dito sa lows around here, no? Around here, sa area na to, then good for you. You're just trading the range, you're targeting the high end, tas you're buying at the low end and so forth. But kung wala kayong hawak, buying right now, right where it currently is, okay? Hindi ko sure kung ano yung fundamental aspect, kung meron ba yung alley kung bakit kayo bumili. But kung purely technicals lang, buying right where we are, parang medyo alanganin, di ba? Kasi nga, we're just trading the range and right now, we're in the middle of the range. So from here, even if we could go back up to 35.2, we have to assess yung risk-reward. So yung risk-reward niya, mangyayari is, kunwari lang let's say pumasok ka here, exit ka here, your stop would need to go below this para sa akin eh. So that's an atrocious risk-reward. Again, alam ko na may mga nag-roll ng eyes na nagsasabi, kasi gusto ko, basta pag 5% na kakat ko. And that's on you. Okay, hindi ko naman po sinasabi na mali or tama. All I'm saying is it's something I don't like doing kasi I spend a lot of time analyzing the charts. I spend a lot of time making my plans and I don't want na yung pag-stop out ko to be something as random or kumbaga parang arbitrary as just a number percent. Gusto ko kung mag-i-stop out ako, may technical reason din. Other than yun nga, ay nagbenta si ganito or ay kasi 5% na or 7% na or 10% na. But again, that's just me. Okay? I'm just telling you what I would do. I'm not saying that you shouldn't or you should do it. Next, let's take a quick look at FA. So FA, for now, support is holding dito sa 1.06 na area, no? We try to break out of this small trend line, this miniature trend line here. We try to break out, pero nag-fail agad, no? Usually, pag ganyan, not a good sign. Kasi kahit na mag-breakout siya sa future, somewhere here, di ba? Parang alanganin because you'll be stuck within this range. Personally, I don't like trading breakouts from descending triangles kapag to the upside. Pag shorts, okay lang kasi magiging breakdown niya yung support eh. Pero to the upside, mas di ko gusto just because you're trading into this range here. Diba? So even if you broke out dito sa pinakadulo, itong range pa rin nakaharang pa rin, diba? Medyo alanganin. So baka mahirapan lang yung trade or baka ma-disappoint lang kayo. Syempre, ang gusto natin hanggat kaya, as yung pinag-usapan nga natin sa ibang mga videos, is to go for the low-hanging fruit. Alright? Pinag-usapan natin yun sa yung top 5 video natin recently. I'll post a link for that in the description box below kung gusto nyo panoorin. Alright, not much else to say about FA. If we break below tong support dito, then I expect na baka ma-challenge ulit tong 90 cents. And if we break below 90 cents, then medyo, actually hindi na medyo pangit na nga talaga as is where we are. If we break below 90, lalo pang mas papangit. So, kayo na bahala magbilang kung ilang degrees of pangit na yun, no? No, and I'm not saying na you can't trade yung mga small ranges or mga small amounts here. I'm just saying na the overall structure, obvious naman na pumangit na. Diba? Kahit na hindi ka magaling mag-technical analysis, obvious naman. Next, let's take a quick look at another request, no? ABA. Alright, so ABA. So yung ABA, as you can see, it's looking a little bit more bullish. We carved a low dito sa mga support na to. Diba? So support. We held the support, moved up, printed a higher low, then we moved up, printed the higher high, tapos nag-pull back ulit. So again, obviously, if bullish ka, you want to see a break above 1.10 para ma-challenge next yung 1.19. Diba? Ang ayaw mo makita if bullish ka ng ABA is mag-break tayo ulit below piso. Diba? Below nitong 0.97 kasi parang biglang papangit yung chart. Sayang yung move up. And this is more visible sa lower time frame. So pakita ko lang dito, no? Para lang mas malinaw. So you don't have to like trading the lower time frame. Pinapakita ko lang dito yung move niya para lang maging mas clear. Okay? So dito, as you can see, Paganda yung pagka-stair step natin, no? So, ito yung first step, second step, third step. Maganda yung stair stepping natin, And the way that it moves, very clean din. So, ito yung step 1, breakout, pull back sa unang step, konso. So, possible na dito, breakout, pull back sa second step, konso, then if ever, breakout ulit. Diba? So, ang important lang dyan is for you to be wary of what you need to be looking out for para masabi mo na hindi na bullish para sa'yo yung chart. For me, that's if mag below 97 or below piso. Actually, it doesn't even have to be 97 exactly. Below piso, medyo tagilid na tayo ng konti. Pero below 97, clear sign na sira na yung range, no? Nasira na yung structure. Baka bumalik tayo sa trading range dito sa baba, which is 89 to 97. Okay? But, nasa sa inyo yun. Kung kunwari may sinusunod na kayong moving average or something na nag-break below, just be sure na kung mag-trigger man yung stop loss nyo, just execute accordingly. Basta para sa akin, yun yung bearish. Pero for now, it's looking still okay. It's still looking quite bullish. Tingnan lang natin kung magtutuloy. Kasi possible na mauntog na rin siya dahil eto, tinan mo, ang daming may range dito, resistance, 'di ba? Previous range dito, 'di ba? Dito previous range. So even if we break out, marami pa tayong sisirain. Kumbaga, para tumuloy siya. Okay, and then finally, we end today's charting session with another request, no? But before we get to that, I would just like to ask na if nagugustuhan nyo itong mga videos and if you find it helpful, I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button kasi it's one of the few ways that I know kung nagugustuhan nyo ba yung content na pinoproduce ko. At kung ayaw nyo naman, be sure to post in the comment section below kung ano yung mga suggestions nyo, mga gusto nyo makita, mga ayaw nyo makita, and so on. Alright? And as I said, our last name for today is ALLHC. Okay? So, ALLHC, actually may drawing na ako before. Okay, itong drawing ko was, so hindi ko lang siya binura para mapakita, no? Was around dito pa lang. Okay, dito, nandito pa lang siya. I wanted a pullback to get into ALLHC to try to take me into the trade. Unfortunately, hindi siya nangyari, no? Hindi siya nangyari from here. I was able to trade it slightly differently, but the way I would have added to the trade was this. If you want to see how I traded ALLHC, please let me know in the comment section below and I'll release a trade breakdown video of how I executed itong trade na to. Okay? Ayoko naman kasi mag-release ng something na ayaw nyo rin naman makita. Okay, syempre tayo serbisyo. Gusto natin makatulong. Gusto ko mag-post na gusto nyong mapanood. No? So right now, similar sa ASEN, no, price is trying to break above tong 5.3 na area. Trying to make new highs. Pero yung ALLHC kasi may tendency siya na may slightly deeper pullback. So kunyari ito mabilis na move up, tapos may deeper pullback. Ito mabilis na move up. So I'm thinking na kung hindi natin mabasag tong 5.3, baka magkaroon din tayo ng mas malalim na pullback. Baka makabalik tayo dito sa white zone. And if so, I would be interested to see what happens next if mangyari yun. Okay? I am not saying na mangyayari yun. Pwede naman na outright, mag-console lang tayo dito, tapos breakout na, tapos tuloy na. Okay? Hindi natin alam. Hindi ko alam ano mangyayari. I'm just saying na if that happens, okay, alisin ko na tong araw na to, if that happens, then that's something that I would be personally watching out for. Okay? I'm not saying na buy agad dun, ha? I'm saying na kailangan panoorin, tignan ko anong mangyayari, and then decide what's best for you. Okay? If may hawak na kayo, let's say nakabili kayo nito, tapos it pushed up, then congratulations. Just be sure to follow yung mga trail stop rules nyo, whatever that may be. Whether it's an MA or gamit nyo Ichimoku, diba? Kijun-sen, or gumagamit kayo ng ATR or whatever. Just be sure to follow your rules para hindi makain yung profits nyo kung sakaling pumasok na nga kayo. Okay? But as is though, if you're asking me na, should I buy at this current area? I honestly don't know. Hindi ko alam what system you use. My personal style, hindi kasi ako gaano bumibili ng ganito just because mahirap i-assess yung risk-reward. Kasi we're right at resistance eh. Yes, it could break, but it could also not. Diba? So, mahirap i-assess yung risk-reward. So, since mahirap siya bilangin, personally, I would rather just step aside and wait and see what happens next. kapag mas clear na sa akin yung pwedeng gawin, then doon na lang ako mag-execute. Doon na lang ako maghahanap ng potential entry. Doon na lang ako gagawa ng plano ko. Okay. So, that's it guys. No? Again, I hope you found this useful. And I hope na nakatulong to sa inyo. And as always guys, good luck and happy trading.